Well, a very good morning from the Costa del Sol on this gorgeous summer's morning. Gosh, we're so lucky, aren't we? I just thought I'd share with you what I'm up to today, because every day is different. Yesterday, completely different. Today, you've guessed it, completely different as well. Now, today I'm heading up to Montemayor, which is in Benavís, and we're listing a property. Now, as well as selling beautiful homes and having clients from all over the world, we actually do list properties as well. And today, I'm going to be visiting and checking out this property up in the hills of Montemayor. I'm just going to be heading off to the security area at Montemayor, collecting the keys for our client, and then I'm going to be off to meet the videographer and the photographer for today's shoot. Now, we're going to be filming with a drone today. We're not only going to be filming for still photography, but we're going to be doing video as well, and I think that's really important to capture that on a video and photos, because how often do you really get to admire the whole house from the sky? It really does look great. Now, in order to do that, we've had to seek permission from the committee of Montemayor. We always stick by regulations because, well, privacy and all of that. And it's very important that everyone knows that we're flying a drone around. Now, Montemayor is a very popular resort, and it's really getting its name on the map now. Not only has it got the cafe, the shop. It's a great place because it's just tucked away at the top of Benavís. And it's our little secret hidden gem. So if you're looking for quite a gorgeous place to live, a bit of exclusivity, then this could be the place for you. Okay, so we've just got the keys, just checked with security that we're all good to fly the drone, and let's see how we get on today. Exciting. So I've just met the photographer, the videographer. We're heading off now up to the property itself, which is in the C-section of Montemayor. It's absolutely gorgeous up here. If you ever get a chance to come up here, maybe you live up here, maybe you're thinking of living up here, well, I mean, just check out these views. We do speak a lot about Montemayor. It's minutes away from the coast. If you're thinking probably 11 or 12 minutes in the car, it's not long, is it, really, when you look at it like that? Well, here we go. We're at the property here. It's absolutely gorgeous. So when we get to the property, it's a question of deciding how we're going to film, where we're going to film first, and the most important parts to film. So we open up the property, we open up the curtains, put the lighting on, set the sunbeds out, make sure the swimming pool's nice and clean, and we do everything so it just looks the best it possibly can for photos, videos, and of course those all important aerial shots a little bit later on. It's a really great property, this one here, actually. We've got just bedrooms everywhere. There's Alejandra. It's just getting ready with photos. So we normally start off with the photos first, get all those out the way, get the very, very best shots. And then we move on to video, and then the floor plans, and then we'll probably finish off today with the drone aerial shots, which really captures the true essence of the property, because sometimes you can't always see the property from the roadside, and from the garden you get that imposing shot, but sometimes from the air it just gives you a great impression of what the property is all about. It's lovely. Well, it looks like we've done everything we need to do for this listing today. The videographer's just left. The photographer's just left. We got some amazing shots, actually. I did a bit of presenting also, which if you keep your ears and eyes open, you might see it on YouTube very soon. It's always nice to showcase these properties, actually, because they are really, really nice, and it gives everybody watching that's interested in buying a great insight to them. Anyway, heading back to the office now, and the second part of the listing is what we need to do now, which is get the listing forms all signed up, agreed, get it uploaded to the portals, get it uploaded to our website to let everybody know, and then once the video is ready, that will get uploaded to our YouTube channel as well. Oh, there's lots of work going on here in Montemayor at the moment. Loads of villas being built, which is always a good sign, isn't it? If you're in Spain at the moment, hope you're enjoying the heat. If you're anywhere else in the world, hope you're staying nice and warm as well. And until the next time, it's bye for now.